Imagine if you could get rid of all your trash by simply throwing it into a giant fire pit. Sounds tempting, right? Well, what if that fire pit was actually a volcano? Would that be a good idea or a terrible one? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of dumping our trash into volcanoes, and why it might not be as simple as it sounds. You might think that volcanoes are the perfect natural incinerators for our garbage. After all, they are constantly spewing out hot lava that can melt rocks and metals. Surely they can handle some plastic bags and banana peels, right? Well, not exactly. There are several reasons why throwing our trash into volcanoes is a bad idea, and here are some of them. Reason number 1, not all volcanoes have lava lakes. Most volcanoes have craters filled with rocks, water, or gas, not molten lava. There are only a few volcanoes in the world that have active lava lakes, such as Kilauea in Hawaii or Nyiragongo in Congo. And they are not easy to access or safe to approach. Reason number 2, not all trash can be melted by lava. Lava is very hot, but not hot enough to melt everything. Some materials, such as steel, nickel, and iron, have higher melting points than lava. They would just float on the surface of the lava lake, creating a layer of junk that would eventually clog the vent or erupt out of the volcano. Reason number 3, burning trash in volcanoes is very polluting. When you burn trash, you release a lot of toxic gases, such as sulfur, chlorine, and carbon dioxide. These gases can create acidic fog and cause breathing problems for people and animals nearby. Volcanoes have no system to filter or remove these pollutants, so they would just spew them into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming and acid rain. Dumping trash into volcanoes can cause explosions. Lava lakes are unstable and sensitive to changes in temperature and pressure. If you throw something cold or wet into a lava lake, you can trigger a violent reaction that involves steam, gas, and lava. This can cause huge explosions that can hurl rocks, ash, and lava bombs into the air, endangering anyone in the vicinity. So, as you can see, dumping our trash into volcanoes is not a smart or sustainable solution for our waste problem. It would be better to reduce, reuse, and recycle our trash instead of burning it or burying it. And it would be much safer to admire volcanoes from a distance than to mess with them. That's it for this video. And don't miss our next video. What if aliens visited Earth? See you soon.